Telus Internet Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Telus Internet, one of Canada's leading internet service providers. Links to the product are included in the description below for easy access. Telus offers a wide range of internet plans, catering to both residential and business customers with a focus on providing high-speed, reliable internet connections. Whether you need fast internet for streaming, gaming, working from home, or running a business, Telus has a plan designed to meet your needs. One of the standout features of Telus Internet is its fiber optic network, offering speeds of up to 1.5 gigabit depending on the plan. This makes Telus an excellent choice for heavy internet users, large households and businesses that rely on fast and stable connections. The high speeds ensure smooth video calls, lag-free gaming and buffer-free streaming, even when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. Telus also offers unlimited data on most of its plans, so you don't have to worry about exceeding your data limits. In addition to its high-speed internet, Telus provides strong customer support, available 24/7. Their easy-to-use Wi-Fi modem router ensures reliable coverage throughout your home or office. For business customers, Telus offers customized internet solutions with dedicated support, making it a great option for companies that need consistent, high-performance internet to keep operations running smoothly. However, Telus Internet does have a few drawbacks. While its fiber optic network is impressive, availability is still limited to certain regions, so customers in rural areas may only have access to slower DSL connections. Pricing can also be on the higher end, especially for users who only need basic speeds, and promotional rates tend to increase after the initial contract period. In conclusion, Telus Internet is a solid choice for those who need fast, reliable internet with excellent customer service and no data caps. It's especially great for heavy users and businesses, though its pricing may not be the best fit for budget-conscious customers. For more information, be sure to check out the links in the description to get started.